In our previous videos on integrating IOLink masters with AutomationDirect's Productivity PLCs, we demonstrated the process using a single IOLink master. However, one of the many strengths of these I/O force multiplying devices is the ability to daisy chain multiple devices together. The connections are simple, but how do we configure the PLC to handle multiple masters, daisy chained or otherwise? Well, as we'll see, it's also pretty simple. Copy and paste are going to do a lot of the work for us, in fact. In this example, we'll start in the Productivity Suite programming software, where we have one instance of a Stride IOLink master already in place. Let's walk through the steps to expand this configuration to encompass multiple IOLink masters using a structured and efficient approach. First, change the name of the existing tag IOLink master to IOLink master_1. This will serve as the basis for the remaining configuration. Next, create two new tags, IOLink master_2 and IOLink master_3. Make sure to use the IOLink master UDS. That's the user-defined structure data type, so the new tags match the same structure as the original. Now, in the hardware configuration, rename the Ethernet IP device associated with the IOLink master to IOLink master_1, so everything stays consistent. With that done, copy the IOLink master_1 device and paste it twice to create two new Ethernet IP devices. Rename them to IOLink master_2 and IOLink master_3. Don't forget to update the IP addresses to match the actual IPs of the physical IOLink masters. We'll update the tag references for these in the next few steps. Now, locate the task named IOLink Data Mapping. Rename it to IOLink Data Mapping_1. Then, copy and paste this task twice, placing the new tasks in the Run Every Scan folder. Name these two tasks IOLink Data Mapping_2 and IOLink Data Mapping_3. The tasks need to be executed in a specific order, so ensure that the call device code task appears after all the IOLink data mapping tasks in the task sequence. Now, let's clean up the tag references. Use the Find and Replace tool to replace all instances of IOLink master_1 with IOLink master_2, but only in the IOLink data mapping_2 task and the IOLink master_2 Ethernet IP device. Repeat the same process for the third master. Replace IOLink master_1 with IOLink master_3. Again, only in the IOLink data mapping_3 task and the IOLink master_3 Ethernet IP device. Now just set up your Ethernet IP messages and your data mapping tasks the way you would for any IOLink master. If you need to brush up on this, see our previous videos on using productivity with IOLink masters. And that's it. You've now configured 3 IOLink masters with consistent structure and mapping logic, efficiently reusing tags and tasks. To learn more about IOLink communications and the powerful Productivity PLC line, visit AutomationDirect.com. To see more videos related to IOLink communications, click here. To learn more about IOLink masters that Automation Direct carries, click here. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and remain updated on all new products and developments at Automation Direct.